Hello everyone, this is my review of this bird feeder with a camera is a game changer for bird watching enthusiasts. It's pretty easy to set up, and I'm gonna assemble it while I go through the features for you. The AI feature that identifies bird species is incredibly accurate and adds a whole new level of excitement when watching birds. The live view option lets me watch birds visit the feeder in real time, and I love the instant alerts when a new bird arrives. The camera captures high-quality video, and it's fascinating to go back and watch the recordings. Plus, the solar panel is a brilliant addition, as I never have to worry about the battery dying. It's always ready to go. It was also super easy to set up, and the design is sturdy and weatherproof. This bird feeder has become the highlight of my garden. I would highly recommend it to any bird lover looking for an interactive and smart way to enjoy bird watching, and I hope this review helps.